Forget Grok, because today I will be showing you a brand new free AI video generator that gives unlimited access with no subscription required. With this tool, you can generate unlimited AI videos for your faceless channel, project, or any creative idea you've got. And you know the best part? It is simple, fast, and completely free. Take a look at sample of what we are going to be creating in this video.
James, how I want tech to generate my videos now again.
My brother, forget Grok, because today I'm showing you a brand new free AI video generator, unlimited access with no subscription required, but chop first.
You don't mean it. Please, I can't wait, oh.
I'll walk you through step by step, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start creating your own AI-powered videos without limits. So if you're ready to level up your content game, let's dive in and see how it works. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So what you're going to do, just head over to your browser and search for Google. Just search for Google Docs. Just search for Google Vids. Just search for Google Vids. Now you will be seeing this. You will be seeing the one with this. So just sign in. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. But if you are not logged in, you need to be logged into your Gmail account. So once you're there, once you're on this particular page, what you're going to do, you can see you have different aspect ratio you can choose from, whether you want to do a landscape video or a portrait video or a square video. So we are going to be making use of void 3.31. So I'll just click on it. So once you're here, this is how the interface looks like. So there are a lot you can do on this particular platform. You can do voiceover, generate image, so you can do a lot here. So but for this particular video, we are going to be making use. You can see we have create from scratch. So now you can create using prompts. So from here now, let me just get a paste in my prompt for this particular tutorial. Let me just use this prompt as for an example. This is a prompt I want to make use of. So it's going to be a landscape video. So I'm going to make sure it's on landscape. Then after that, what I'm going to just do is just to hit on generate. So once you click on generate, you just give it time, it's going to load up and generate the video for you. So you can see it has finished generating the video for me. You can see it over here. So what you can do, you can simply just click on insert to bring the video here, or if you want to probably just download the video to make use of, probably using other editor to edit your video, what you're just going to do, just right click here and just click on save. So that's just it. So now, if you are using mobile, you just click on it, hit on the video and hold, then use it to bring out options for you to just same thing for you to save the video. But if you want to, you make use of the video editing here, you can just click on insert and it's going to bring it into this place. And so you can generate another one here and just bring it insert and do all your editing straight from here. So you can see how this has generated the video for me, and this is for if you're using your prompts. Now what if you want to make use of your own, probably you have your own image you want to make use of to do the video. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do, I'm going to generate the image I want to make use of here. So I'm going to just come to Nano Banana and I'm going to describe my idea, what I want it to do. So I'm going to input the prompt here. So you can see on this splash it has generate with image. So let me bring in the prompt I want to use to generate the image. This is the prompt I want to make use of. Now I'm going to aspect ratio, I'm going to make it should be this. So I'm going to select this aspect ratio for it. Then if you want to add any style for it, but for now I'm going to leave it as no style. So let me just click on generate. So now you can see it has generated the image for me. If this particular image is okay for me, what I'll just do is just the same way I'm going to save this image as, let me just download this particular image and download the image. So I've downloaded this image. Now what I'm going to now do is to now come to veil here. So it's what I'm going to just come over here, and what I will now do is to, instead of using generate from scratch, I'm going to animate a video. So now I'm going to now remove this prompt. I'll bring in my own prompt, what I want it to do. So what I'm going to now do is just come over here. I'm going to add the image. So just do agree. So I'm going to now bring in the image I want to make use of. Okay, I generated this one earlier using a different view. So okay, I can just use any of them. Okay, let me just use the one I generated before, or you can see make use of this. It will still give you the same results, but let me just say I'm using this particular one. So I'm going to just bring it in, allow it to load. Once it loads, it's going to show the image over here. So it has loaded. So what I'm going to now do is just to added my prompt here. So what I just said is just add little body movements. You can just add in a prompt what you want it to do. So now now for me it was like telling him what to do. So what I'm not just going to do is just to click on generate. So once I click on generate, it's going to wait a little for it to process and generate. But one thing you should you should take note is sometimes when you try generating it, we just read up to a particular level and it's going to just stop, and it will tell you probably that it went contrary to the terms and conditions. So once it's showing you that, what I'll just advise you to do is just to click on, you can see, well, like what I have here now. What I just want you to just do is just to click on generate again. Once you click on generate again, it will process. So once you do that, you keep on doing that, it's going to, we just know that once the video is in, the reading reaches up to more than 50%, definitely is going to generate the video for you. So that's just it. So you just have to just keep trying, and everything will work perfectly well for you. You can see same video that said, you can see it's now generated, that's finally mark generated. So you can now see, so now from here let me scroll down and see. So I went ahead and regenerating more. So what I'm just going to do will show you what I want to show you here now. Okay, let's say if I'm going with this particular last one, let me insert this. Just drag it in here, and you can now remove this. So what I'm not going to do now is, from using same image. Remember, using same image. The next thing I'm going to do is to bring in the prompt for the second guy by the left. We just spoke. Now this one now is the guy by the right. So now the guy by the right, this is what the guy said, and I'm going to click on generate. So just wait for it to generate. So you can see it has generated the second one. Now I'm going to now bring in the last video, this here for the prompts for the third one. So now you just try all this. This is just what you just keep doing, and you can keep changing. So now but if you want continuity or to the video, what you're going to do is to ensure you pick from the last part. Now let me say if this is what I needed here. So what I'm just going to do is just to ensure you would do something like a screenshot, or get a screenshot of this, then you bring it in, you import it into the lesson, so that it will have like a continuity flow. But let me just, for this, I'm just going to, since it's still like almost the same, let me just brought in the third person. I just use the same image, but I just decided to show you, so that in case you want like a continuity, so that it looks as if it's continuing for where it stopped. So that's just how you go about it. Okay, you can see it has generated the last.
You don't mean it.
So now, okay, let's say for this one, it's ending here. I just want to. So now let me just cut this. So this place. Then I'm going to now bring in. You can edit. I'm just trying to show you that you can. Just want to show you that you can do your editing from here directly. So now I'm going to bring in the third one too. Also, the third one. So now let me do see the flow, how it goes. I'm going to now shorten this one to this particular point where the other guy starts talking. So that is just, I want to see how so you can see how the flow went. So let me just start from the beginning and play everything and show you how it's sounding.
James, how I want tech to generate my videos now again.
My brother, forget Grok because today I'm showing you a brand new free AI video generator, unlimited access with no subscription required, but chop first.
You don't mean it. Please, I can't wait, oh.
So you can see how the video just has gone. So from here, once you're done with everything, you can just click on file, then you can click on download and click on download. So once you do that, it will start downloading your video. So that's just how you go about it. So now here is a trick. If you want to, for it to get unlimited, remember I said you can do this unlimited. You can see I've been generating out. So once tend to generate and it later shows you that you have exhausted your limit, what you're going to the easiest thing you're going to do to continue your editing is just for you to just switch your email, just use a different email and continue it again. So if you're somebody like me that has tons of email, you can keep generating as many videos as you want to. So whatever the other one stops, and the truth there is, after it will reset, everything will reset within 1 month interval. So once this particular account has reached its limits, you will just wait for 30 days. That's for 1 month. Once you wait for 30 days, it's going to reset for you to do the game for the next month. If you're somebody like me that's have lots of email, you can just continue using this free without any subscription. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.